You guys, I don't have to cut that off and go say it again. A lot of you guys freaking have been, I've been getting message after message every damn day, okay? Asking, Mysterious Man, what's your opinion on Cheez-Its? So, I figured I'd go ahead and do a product review on Cheez-Its. Now here, I have the big Cheez-Its. Compared to the smaller Cheez-Its, it really kind of depends. Like, sometimes, like, this is what the big Cheez-Its are for. If you're gonna put dip on them, if you're gonna put, like, something like that, some kind of chip dip type stuff, then yeah, you're gonna want the big ones because the small ones are too small. Now, if you're just eating them plain, you're gonna want freaking, you're gonna want the small ones because they're easier to just pop in your mouth. At least, that's my opinion. And before you freaking faggots come on here, oh, you're a vital advertiser for the freaking Cheez-It Corporation, Sunshine, I guess, whatever. See, I don't even know the freaking name, and I said faggot. Now, do you think that this company wants their product associated with someone saying faggot? Because, that would just be bad PR, you know what I mean? Fact of the matter is, bottom line, if there's a good product out there, I don't mind talking about it, okay? You know what I mean? If something's good, I don't gotta get paid to say that. I'm already rich, you know what I mean? So, my words are the truth. I'm just speaking the truth. I'm just getting the truth out there. That's what I'm trying to do. Now, nutrition facts. We got 150 calories in only about 13 freaking crackers. That's pretty hefty. But then again, these crackers are freaking huge, you know what I mean? So, and you got 13 servings per container. 13 times 13, that's like, I don't know, about 150, something like that. I'm just estimating. And you got a lot of carbs in these things, they're like a bread, cracker type product. They say it's made with real cheese. I don't know how true that is. Like, I mean, I'm sure they wouldn't be able to advertise it as such if they weren't made with real cheese, but like, I don't really notice it. Like, I mean, it just seems like a cracker that's flavored like cheese. It doesn't seem like the cheese is really infused into it somehow. It just seems like a cracker with freaking cheese in it. I don't know how to describe it. It's weird. You gotta try it yourself. But anyway, you got, this is a good example because I've tried most of these. You got the original classic Cheez-Its, the small ones, which I was just explaining the benefits of those. You got the snack mix, which, you know what? I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna be the first person to come out and say, nobody cares about pretzels, okay? You freaking companies out there, you're like, oh, well, let's make a snack mix. Let's put, Doritos, let's put Cheetos, let's put this, let's put that. Let's throw some pretzels in there. You freaking douchebags. Quit trying to get rid of your pretzels by throwing them into the party mixes, okay? Nobody buys pretzels. They're like the lowest selling snack product, okay? They're the worst. That person that brings pretzels to a party, they are the douchebag of the freaking world, okay? Stop giving us your pretzels. Please! Damn it, people. Okay, the third one on here, we got the reduced fat Cheez-Its, which I know you guys are going to say, oh, Mysterious Man, you're fat if you like those. No, I'm freaking not, okay? But, like, the reduced fat, believe it or not, I prefer them to the, original Cheez-It because they're less greasy. Like, these kind of have a little bit of slime, just a teeny little bit on when you don't get those when you're freaking, eating the reduced fat Cheez-Its. You can pick up your controller, you can eat these all you want, pick up your controller, and it'll be fine. You won't get a mess on your controller, really. You might have to wipe it off a teeny little bit. But if you eat these while you're playing a game, you're gonna wind up with a big old mess, you're gonna wind up with a greasy controller. You're constantly gonna find yourself, doing this little maneuver where you take your shirt and you go like this. Everyone, all you avid gamers out there are familiar with that one. Now, then you got the hot and spicy Cheez-Its, which I think they gotta be my favorite. Oh, another reason I prefer these ones is the flavor is just a teeny bit lacking compared to these, but they got a crunch to them. They got a bigger crunch, they got a better texture to them, okay? With just a teeny little flavor loss, just a teeny little bit. So overall, these are better than the original. And, hot and spicy, these are the best Cheez-Its in the world, period, okay? It's a matter of taste, though, so if you like spicy stuff, and if you like the original, or you like these ones, or you like any kind of Cheez-Its, you're gonna freaking love the hot and spicy Cheez-Its. That Tabasco sauce, oh my god, it's freaking awesome, okay? Then you got 4 cheese, which to be honest I haven't tried. You got the white cheddar, which I don't recommend the white cheddar. It just tastes like the original, toned down a little bit. You know what it is? It's a crossbreed between this and this, with all of the negatives of each of them. Like it's a little bit lacking in flavor. It's greasy. It has that greasy stuff, so you can't really eat them while you play games. Okay, then you got the big one, which I already talked about them. You got the, whatever that is, Duos. I haven't tried that, obviously. And then you got the Cheddar Jack. The Cheddar Jack used to be my favorite when I was like 10, but I don't know, I can't eat them anymore. They kind of gross me out for some reason now. But, overall, if I were to recommend some Cheez-It products, I'd say the reduced fat for when you want to play games. And if you're going to a party or something, get the hot and spicy, man. Those are the best. They have the best flavor to them. And, of course, these for the dip. Everything else is kind of pointless. I mean, they're okay. They're pretty good, but you're always going to come back to your reduced fat, your hot and spicy, and your big Cheez-Its. That's all there is to it, people. Overall, Cheez-Its, the whole package, not just the big Cheez-Its. I would have to give the concept of Cheez-Its an 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys.